So you can just update if you want in like if you want to create a new site, you can create it. Site name, you enter random thing. Anything. Then apply. Yeah, address name, it is not shown yesterday also. Okay. Yes.
Valid value.
Yeah, value in inbuilt value it should be shown. So yesterday only we saw that no values have been done here. Inbuilt default values.
Okay.
Yeah. So all these things have to go. Okay. So we can go back. Like default is not there. So we have so click on address book, right? We can try creating an address for it. In left hand side. Yeah. Yeah. So create an address. We can create an address for that so that we can link it in supply site.
InTotech.
Create button is there, no? Top.
Okay. Okay. So if I can make a change over here.
Yeah.
No. RFQ only. What does that stand for?
Return from quotation. Request from quotation. So like for initially like it is used for P2P cycle and all those things. So initially for once the requisition is happened, then the uh, purchase order will be done. So it is the initial phase for the requisition here
Okay.
only. So it is only for the requisition purpose if you want it to the supplier thing to make it address.
All right. Interesting. Done.
Yes.
Oh, why has it gone to each and every one of them?
So okay. Can you okay, it doesn't maximize. Can you maximize this window itself, like this application? Auto motors.
No.
So it has been linked with the mini operating unit. So you can just select which operating unit you want. Like this is a Vision USA, right? Vision operating US.
Yes.
So you can just yeah. And then in this system they are using Vision operating unit only. But okay, fine. Yeah. So India, USA is there. So it has been done. The next is receiving thing. Click on receiving. Yeah.
I don't have to say this.
No, it is saved now already.
Okay.
Confirmation. Yeah. Yeah. So your internship to location, enforceship to location, which it should be warning. Usually it will be none only. Uh, then receipt routing. So where it will route you standard level, standard receipt, or like how it is. Normally it is standard only. Initially, if you want, we can create it additional. Then,
There is no creation button over here.
in setup and maintenance, while implementing it, so there we can have it in separate routing. Yeah, there's setup for it. Then this match approval level. So there is a approval level like matching in payables. Like usually they'll have a two-way, three-way, four-way matching. So two-way matching is nothing but the uh, like purchase order and invoice level. So the purchase order amount and the invoice amount will be matched if you select a two-way matching. Then three ways purchase order, invoice, and the receipt amount.
Okay.
Yeah. So whatever the amount, this three-way matching is there. If it is select three-way, then it will match. If it is not matching, then it will keep you in hold.
Okay. And four-way matching would be?
Four-way matching is all the three plus the quantity like item quantity will be there, right?
Okay.
From the inventory side,
All right.
quantity
Quantity
tolerance. Yeah,
tolerance. Tolerance.
tolerance
What
means
is
that
it?
amount. Yeah, quantity. How much quantity it is matching with all those purchase orders and
Okay.
all those things. Yeah,
So out of the all the ordering, if there are like 10 items ordered, so at least 5 should match.
yeah.
Received exception warning. Okay.
Quantity received tolerance. Okay. Uh, then next important thing, receive data exception none. Okay. So the like three-way this matching approval level it comes in procure to pay cycle. So there we can do it. This is for a supplier thing. So for one supplier you can have a three-way or whatever you want.
Okay.
Then next is accounting, sir. Click on accounting, save it in accounting. You yeah. So supply site for this accounting, it is a ledger. So site is active. So click on create button, right? You can, yeah, it's not created. Okay, for this also address. Click on search, like which one you have created, like the address.
Here is the Indian operating.
Yeah.
Select.
No, the locate address name we have created recently, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Apply. Unable to create because of this site name already exists for the supply. Resolve the issue and try again. Or select operating. Okay, deselect the operating unit, right? The Indian operating unit.
Yes.
No, don't select that. Uncheck the checkbox Indian operating unit. Yeah.
Okay.
Then click on apply. Please
Okay.
choose at least one operator. What is this? Okay, vision operation. Click on vision operation and click on apply. Yeah. Yeah, done. So legal entity, the account liability is done. Then prepayment you go tab, prepayment tab. So this is a liability account, like go to liability, right? Once. So if the accounting is done, if the invoice is accounted, so the liability account will be charged by this account.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can see in this invoice creation account and all those things. So prepayment tab you click. Like prepayment is the advance, right?
Yes.
You will be yeah. So it is there already. The site name RZ Motors. So for this account, it is being linked with Vision Operation prepayment account here. Then bills payable. Click on it. Yeah. So all these are the site has been linked with all these things, bills payable distribution. So if you want to create a new thing, so we can create it also here.
Okay. So we do not need to do any accounting entry right now. It's already done.
Yeah, it's already inbuilt. Like while doing setup, it has been linked with this vision operation. So if you want to change the bills payable, you can search and select. Like if you want the accounting, this I don't want this account to be do bills payable. So I want different means you can select different, and either you can select different or like you can create a new thing with new site name and new accounting for bills payable.
All right.
Then banking details you go. We have to see the bank, how the bank and branch details are. Yeah, so here bank accounts have been not done. So we can create a bank account here. Click on add, right? Yeah, account. Just click on go, or we'll see. We can create it. Okay. Yeah, no, nothing. Click on that LOV, no? Search by LOV.
Yeah.
No, not by account name. Click on that list of values, right? Account number. Bank name you enter. Yeah, go. Okay. So they're not following. Okay. After this thing, we'll see the bank details, how bank branches, bank account number, how we can create it.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's all.
We were into add. Should we go into create?
Yeah, create. Yeah, here only you can have a bank account, bank.
Create new bank.
Yeah, create new bank. So the default values are not showing for the security purpose, I guess. So
BIC.
BIC is a bank information code, like some code will be there, like
Okay, IFSC code just like that.
yeah, just like that.
Branch type ABA. What is this?
Chips. So Swift is an format, like bank format where you have a transaction for a specific type. How the transaction is done and reconciled with GL.
Okay.
Chips CHPS, I don't remember
Chip.
default values. Yeah, so I'll just check with the and I'll let you know.
Sure. Bank number.
Any bank number if you want to enter.
Okay. Account number. Account number. PR or name. Mm. Check digit means
Sorry?
check digit.
Uh, yeah, check digit means like any the check number. The
Okay, between certain range.
yeah.
Double zero, one, two, double zero, five, five, zero. No. Mm. End date. What is this end date for?
So this end date is nothing but like when this bank should be ending. Like if you want to terminate the bank this account.
Okay.
So yeah,
So our system won't be using any of this bank account for any further purpose.
no. So if you are clicking on some date, then it will just terminate it for that particular supplier.
Okay. 25th October.
International bank account number is invalid. IBAN. So they have some digits. So just delete it. Characters they have some, I guess. Data type. No, delete that. I remove that IBAN number. Yeah.
And now what do we do?
Click on save here. Yes. So it has been saved. Next, go to invoice management. Go to invoice management. You've gone already. Yeah. So here the invoice currency, which uh, for the supplier, which currency you want to make it as default. So you can select it here. And invoice match option. So if you are selecting it the two-way, then here you have a purchase order. Initially, you will have a purchase order. Then you can select it which way you want invoice or receipt thing to be matched with the supplier.
Okay.
Then all the site name which you have entered. So here it will be showing invoice management, tolerance amount, purchase order, all those. Payment date base. So it is a due or whatever thing. Payment priority 99. So how the priority should be? Is it an immediate prior payment should be done, or like any within 1 month or within 2 months date, 30 days or 60 days there? So we can make it in payment priority here.
Okay, payment priority.
Yeah. So 2 months or 3 months thing, quarterly base or payment. So
Okay. And terms would be
sorry, terms,
terms.
that is a term, like they have make it as a terms like 45 net means like within 45 days. So that period it will be showing here.
Okay.
Terms date plus 45. Yeah.
Okay. So the we still have whatever terms were decided plus 45 number of days to make the payment.
Yeah. So this we can set it up during our payable setup also. So here they have already have two, right, in terms in LOB. Click on that
Uh,
terms, right? Click on that arrow button.
it has
More.
more.
Yeah, more. Click on more. So you can see more variety of, yeah. So immediate 30 terms. So scheduled for payment for 30 days. 10th cutoff. So paid on 10th means it will cut off on 5th payable day only. Come down, you will see more. See, payment terms will be there more.
Oh, COD process.
Yeah, cash on delivery process it is. So you can select whichever you want, like which payment terms you want to have for the supplier also.
Okay. Term date basis invoice. So invoice code received system. Okay.
Invoice received, goods received, invoices. So the
So
payment,
where are the terms? So it means where are the terms mentioned? So if it is mentioned on the invoice, it will go as per the invoice. If we select system, so it will be the as per the contract that we have made, and invoice received when we receive the invoice
yeah,
based on that, and from goods received from that date onwards, the
yeah.
term date
That's
will.
when the goods is been received, that day onwards the payment will be starting. Yeah.
And pay date basis due. Due.
Due means like it is not been done for this
Okay.
pay. Yeah. Because it is a 45 terms, right? 45 net term. So it will be on due
Yes.
only. So if it is immediate or thing, then it will be on like up, like it will be not on due. Click on that list. Yeah, discount
Discount.
is and yeah,
Discount or due. Okay. So if it's COD, so immediately we are paying, and we need a discount
yeah.
on it.
So it will be having some supplier will be having getting us discount, right? If they are
Okay.
getting immediate payment for a long period of time. So if we are giving more goods for 1 year, then and good more amount, and the customer is like we are paying immediately. So can you discount it little bit? So they'll discount
Okay.
for the long period
Sure.
of time. Yeah.
No worries. What else?
Uh, so these are the basic setups here. So for creating a supplier thing, then others are like account tax and reporting. So we'll come back this later. Go to organization. Yeah. So these are the that DNS number, all those total come little down, right? Yeah. So these are the basic setups for the supplier, creating a supplier.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can just save it and close it. Will go to invoice creation. All the invoices being created and accounting. No, no, and save it. It will be in another form. Yeah. So invoices. So yeah, entity. So there are two types of invoice, like invoice batch. In invoice batches, like in one lot, how many invoices can be created? Like
Okay.
many invoices can be created in one lot. And this is invoices is only for the single invoice where we can create it.
Okay.
So you have a
Uh,
batch name, batch ID. So where you have multiple invoices, we can create it in invoice batches there.
okay. Sir, the meeting is about to end. It is showing less than 1 minute.
Okay. We'll just log in again, close it and log in.
Sure.